first set of questions asks us to determine which two functions are inverses of each other. I've already written down number 3, so I'm going to be working number 3. And we're going to compose the functions to see if any of these are inverses. Now, if you compose them and you get that none of them are working, that means none of these functions are inverses. So we're going to start with f of g. So f of g is equal to, I write my function f, and I plug in my function g. Then I simplify. So I have a -3 and a -3. That gives me -6. So I have -3x minus 6 over 3. Everything can reduce by 3, so we get x minus 2. This is not equal to just plain x. Therefore, f and g are not inverse functions. So let's try a different set. Let's try g and h. So for g and h, I'm going to take g of h. So I write my function g, and I plug in the function h. I see that I have a 3 here and a 3 here. They can cancel each other, leaving me with an x plus 3 and a minus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 cancel, so I'm left with x. So g of h works. I also have to check the other way around, h of g, to make sure h of g works. Because the rule is if both work, then they are inverses. So now I'm going to try h of g just to make sure that it does work indeed. So h is the function something plus 3 divided by 3. G is the function 3x minus 3. Positive 3 and negative 3 cancels, so I'm left with 3x over 3. 3 cancels with 3, so I'm left with x. Since both of these work, I can say that G and H are inverses.